Here it is, you guys.
Drivers need to be in your car. You're next. Car 3343, right?
But the Evo was about to catch up though. I know the mile per hour was lower, but that was a good pass. I think I 60-footed the hell out of him. That was a good pass. I'm convinced. Going slicks, guys. I just gotta watch out through the water burnout. That wheel hop I felt, and I gotta let off. And I let off when I realized it, pretty much. I don't know if it's personal best though. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Woo! 11.3. 1.860 foot. I gotta get that down to a 1.4. If I can get that down to a 1.4, I can do a 10-second pass. Oh my gosh. Personal best, guys. 11.3. Yes. I gotta get some more air in these tires. Hell yeah. Super stoked. Alright. Gotta get some air in these tires and go from there. This guy was coming around me. I don't know where, but he definitely was.
Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Not bad, you?
Doing alright.
Did you break 11s yet?
Yeah, I've done 11.8 before, and I just did 11.3.
Oh, awesome. Yeah,
Fuck yeah.
Seems like Gabriel's having more issues with this setup than the old one.
Right.
Yeah, that's like all standard.
He is. It's because he doesn't have his Cholo slicks.
Oh, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I told him, I said, why'd you sell them? Well, they were too small. I said, well, now you don't have any.
Exactly. Yep, exactly. But love the Evo.
Where you guys parked at?
Right around, I don't know if the yellow Corvette's there, but there's a yellow Corvette and my white Trailblazer. If you follow me, I'm going there right now. Okay. Hell yeah, guys. 10-second is there. Holy right there. I still have more in this. That was a pass right there. Holy crap. Woo! Steve should be coming to this and stuff. Bro, what difference? What a difference.
Bach?
started wheel hopping. So I was like, oh, okay, let off. Don't do that again.
Just
I think I'm gonna just drive through there.
around
Go, you think